So if you remember, I planted this about, I want to say, it's been a good month now. Bought it from the store. It's growing pretty good. Never planted this before, but it's budding up right there. I don't know what that means. But I'd say it's growing pretty well. If I known it was going to grow that big, I would have put it in the ground. So eventually that's probably what I'll do. If it continue to get bigger and bigger, then I'll just stick it in the ground. But yeah, there you go, man. Store bought. That's what you can get. And take off and with like that within a month. We're gonna walk over here and see the other ones that I planted. There's the other one on the plant. Not as long. Maybe this one. So yeah, the other one is doing a lot better in the other pot, but it'll grow. Just keep giving it time, keep checking on it. So I'll say give it about a good month or so. Not a month, probably another couple months. And I should be able to harvest it and have some food from it. So yeah, man, there you go. I'm gonna check back with me in probably about 2 months, and we'll see how much of a yield we have then. Go to the grocery store, buy you some vegetations with some roots on it, and you'll have a yield like this within a month or two. Check back with me. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'll keep you updated on the progress of how much bigger and larger it gets. Thanks for watching. Green Nickel Farm, we out.